Guys, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a stick bomb. They're pretty cool to make, and you just need 4 popsicle sticks or any kind of sticks, and this is how you make it. You get 2 fingers and you put it right here, and that's how you make it very quick. I will show you again. So now, if you throw it in a hard surface, it will explode and impact, and it's pretty cool. So this is how you throw it. So you get it like this, and then you just throw it, and it explodes. So now I took a few minutes to make some more stick bombs, some more like boomerang stick bombs, and I made 6 more, and I made a bonus one. Let's see if you guys can figure it out. And I'm gonna explode them. And the bonus one, the butterfly one. Pretty cool.